I don't know if anybody else has been to Dipolog and noticed this, but there's no ascals anywhere. There's no dogs. You know, the semi-feral dogs anywhere. And there's a lot of restaurants. This is like the restaurant district right near the boulevard. There's a Mark Rich Cafe, Filipino-Korean restaurant. And there's no dogs. There's laundry, but no dogs. Huh. Something's up. Heading down to the boulevard now, and there's this cool little structure. It's like, I don't know if it's a house or just a garage because there's a scooter in there. But they got all these nice succulents outside. And I don't know, it's just like, the door's cool too. I like the door. Interesting.
Hey, mayang hapon. Hi, good afternoon. Why do you put the water on the ground? For what? To clean? Oh, okay. Oh, I always wondered. Thank you. Hi, Di.
Oh, kitten. Meow. All right, upon reaching the boulevard down here, you're gonna find all kinds of fried goods. And I just had some fried isaw, which is chicken intestine. And they got chicken feet and all kinds of other chicken parts. And she's very shy. And now that we've had food, we're gonna go over and get a mango shake because Dipolog has the best mango shakes in the Philippines. One great thing about Dipolog and this area of Mindanao is its mango trees. They have a surplus of mangoes every year, so the shakes are very cheap, the mangoes are very cheap, and they are delicious. So we're gonna have one right now. Yeah. This is what I travel 3 hours for, mango shakes. This is where the magic happens right here. Mango shakes are basically evaporated milk, sugar, and mangoes, fresh mangoes. They mix them up right here, pour them out. Then they use this thing to pop the top, put the straw in. These things are delectable. And 350 ml is pila?
35.
35 pesos for a big mango shake. You can't beat that. One other thing you notice about Dipolog is Dipolog has, this part of northern Mindanao has the shortest Filipinos in the Philippines. As you can see by this Yamaha Mio that this young man is on right here. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Hey, if it wasn't true, I wouldn't be reporting on it.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one that my life has found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, la 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 la. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
You ain't nothing nice, girl. You ain't nothing nice. Seriously, that's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, so it is 5:05, and hopefully we're gonna get a decent sunset. I'm not sure because of the clouds, but I've been down here before. I've done videos on this place before. This is the boulevard down at Dipolog, and it is absolutely stunningly beautiful. As I noted before, they got trash cans on every tree, and they actually enforced the littering ban. So I guess it's like 1,000 pesos if you get caught littering. The beach is fairly immaculate. Not that many people down here today. He's got some college students and some freaking naked kids running around down there. Can't do no video down there. And it's just a good time. Whoever's doing the zoning for this over there is the main built-up area. It's really classy. It's really nice, unlike Dumaguete's Boulevard, which can be a little rundown. There's a playground there for the kids, and over there is where you can get your mango shakes, your tocino, your tempura, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna wait, and we're gonna hope we have a good sunset. From the way the clouds are, I'm not sure how it's gonna be, but hey, hope springs eternal. Oh, it's also cool. I was taking pictures with people here. It was fun. People are nice here. All right, it's now 20 past 5, and yeah, doesn't look like we're gonna get a light show tonight, but that's okay, because like I said before, it's not all about the destination or achieving the goal. Sometimes the journey and the unrelenting striving towards that goal is the reward. At least that's what I keep telling myself. And of course, here's some bios. Good evening.
Yeah.
Never a dull moment in the Philippines. Yeah. Now there's always next time. Either that or I'm just going to take some of the old footage of one of my previous trips to Dipolog and just make it look like it was a nice sunset. You know, because that's what YouTube's all about now, is just pranking stuff, putting up fake stuff. Yeah. Always be worse. Alright, so it got a little bit better. Got a little bit better. It's now 6:15. Got a fishing boat heading out there. It's towing its tender. And some little bit of color here. Alright, that's a little bit better. But I gotta go. Alright, so this is about the best we're gonna get. It is now exactly 6:45. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but we got some pretty good colors over there. Again, this isn't your typical Dipolog sunset. They usually have beautiful sunsets here on the boulevard. I mean, it's worth the trip when there is a beautiful sunset. Even if there isn't a beautiful sunset, it's still worth the trip, because I met some really cool people tonight and had a good time. Met a Russian, met somebody from Michigan, Dan the Cement Man. I met Steve from Wisconsin, and a whole bunch of Filipinos. And yeah, you just gotta talk to them. All right, so my time here in Dipolog has come to an end. It is Monday morning and I'm heading back to Dapitan to get on the ferry. One of the great things about the Philippines is the ability to be able to just jump on a ferry, take a 2 or 3 hour trip and go to someplace totally different. And that what was great about coming to Dipolog was doing just that. And I like to give a shout out to the people of Dipolog for being so friendly and so accommodating. And again, a great thing about the Philippines is to start a conversation. If you're by yourself or whatever, you just kind of say hello to somebody, or you just smile at them, and they'll usually initiate the conversation. Like I said a little bit earlier, I met a whole bunch of people last night, some of them who I had met before, some of them who were total strangers, and it was really cool. And wow, there's another foreigner down there, and he's got a camera. He might be a vlogger. I gotta go talk to him. But I'm gonna go back, grab some breakfast right now, and head back to Dumaguete. And I'm gonna talk to this foreigner right here. And so let's check it out. All right. It's a beautiful life. Rice is life. Oh yeah, by the way, they just expanded this boulevard, so it's 8 kilometers long now. Needless to say, I didn't walk it because it's too hard. And in case I didn't know it before, they really like rice in Dipolog. And there's the 4th annual Run for Rice. And if you sign up, you get a free jersey and race bib. I think it's some pretty good prices too. Probably a lot of rice. All right. Early morning here in Dipolog. And they're grooming the roosters. They're ready to go. Those are some handsome birds right there. And there's the alternates. They're on the bullpen, ready to go. Woo! Okay, so that's basically my trip to Dipolog. I'm now at the port of Dapitan. They actually call it Palawan Port. And I just found out that they don't have air conditioning. The air conditioning's broken on a Fast Cat. Hey, first world problems, right? So it's gonna be open air, should be okay. And I'm going through a checkpoint now, so I gotta stop filming. Until next time, this is Ned over my Philippine dreams. Love you, Dipolog. And until next time, take care. Bye. This is a fast cat. Oh, and everything was okay. We had actually got the air conditioning working. No more first world problems.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.